It is a truly wonderful thing to take a simple seed, something that might otherwise be discarded, and watch it grow into a thriving plant. The transformation is nothing short of magical. You can do this with an avocado pit, a leftover from your kitchen, turning waste into a beautiful green companion. This little project is quite easy and brings a piece of nature into your home, adding a touch of green to your living space. Avocados are marvelous fruits, very healthy and tasty, packed with nutrients and flavor. But the large seed inside is special. It holds the promise of new life, a potential waiting to be unlocked. Imagine a tall avocado tree. It all begins with this small pit, a humble start to something grand. Growing an avocado plant from a pit is fun and makes for a very good project, a perfect blend of patience and reward. Children especially love to watch the changes happen, learning about growth and nature in a hands-on way. Adults find it a relaxing pastime too, a way to unwind and connect with the natural world. You do not need a large garden space. A sunny spot indoors is perfectly fine, making it accessible for everyone. This guide will help you learn how, step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to succeed. Think about having your very own avocado plant. A plant that you grew yourself, a testament to your care and patience. It might even give you avocados one day, but that takes a very long time, often several years. For now, the real joy is in the leaves, watching them grow and flourish. Enjoy watching the green leaves unfurl, each new leaf a sign of progress in life. Enjoy the journey of growing. Let's get started on this rewarding adventure together. First things first, you will need an avocado. Buy a nice, ripe avocado and enjoy eating the soft green fruit. After you have eaten it, save the big seed or pit. This pit is the very beginning of your new plant. Handle the pit gently and treat it with care. Choosing a good pit is important. It helps your chances of success. Try to choose a pit that is large, healthy, and strong. Avoid using pits that have big cuts or look damaged. A smooth, firm pit is what you want. Next, you must clean the pit very well. Wash off all the green avocado fruit using warm water. Gently rub the pit with your fingers, but be careful not to scratch it. The brown skin on the pit is important. It acts as a protective layer. Look at the shape of the pit to find the top and bottom. The pointed end is the top and the flatter, wider end is the bottom. The toothpick method is a very popular way to germinate an avocado pit. This method is not only simple but also allows you to observe the fascinating process of root development up close. It allows you to see the roots growing, which is very exciting to watch. Watching the roots sprout and grow can be a rewarding experience, especially for those new to gardening. You will need your clean avocado pit, 3 or 4 toothpicks, and a glass or small jar of water. Make sure the glass is clear so you can easily monitor the progress of your avocado pit. Take your clean avocado pit and remember which end is the top and which is the bottom. The top is the pointed end and the bottom is the flat end. Gently push 3 or 4 toothpicks into the sides about ½ an inch deep. Be careful not to push too hard as you don't want to crack the pit. These toothpicks will hold the pit up, acting like little supporting arms. They will keep the pit suspended over the water, allowing the bottom to stay submerged. Place the pit on the glass, with the toothpicks resting on the rim. Ensure that the pit is stable and won't tip over. The bottom part of the pit should go down, with about 1 inch in the water. This will allow the pit to absorb water and start the germination process. The pointed top part must stay dry. Keeping the top dry helps prevent mold and rot. Use a clear glass to watch the roots emerge and grow. This transparency will let you see the entire process, from the first tiny roots to a full network of roots. Put the glass in a warm spot with some light, but avoid direct harsh sunlight. Indirect light is best as it provides enough warmth without scorching the pit. Change the water every few days to keep it fresh and clean. Fresh water is crucial for preventing bacteria and mold from growing. Now, all you need is patience. It takes time for the roots to appear. Be patient and wait. It can take several weeks for the roots to start showing, but the wait is worth it when you see your avocado pit come to life. Some gardeners prefer to use the soil method, which is more like how things happen in nature. This method mimics the natural process of an avocado pit sprouting in the wild. For this method, you will need a small pot with drainage holes and good quality potting soil. The drainage holes are crucial to prevent waterlogging, which can rot the pit. First, fill your small pot with potting soil, leaving about 1 inch of space at the top. This space allows for easy watering and prevents overflow. Make a small hole in the center of the soil, big enough for your avocado pit. The hole should be deep enough to support the pit but not too deep to bury it completely. Place the avocado pit into the hole, with the pointed end sticking out. The pointed end is where the sprout will emerge, so it needs to be exposed to light. About half of the pit can be above the soil or just the very tip showing. This exposure helps the pit to breathe and sprout effectively. Gently firm the soil around the pit, but do not pack it down too tightly. Loose soil allows for better root growth and water absorption. Water the soil well after planting, keeping it damp but not soggy. Overwatering can lead to mold and rot, so be cautious. Place the pot in a warm place with bright indirect light. Direct sunlight can be too harsh and dry out the soil too quickly. Keep the soil moist as the seed germinates, checking it every day. Consistent moisture is key to successful germination. Add a little water when the top feels dry. It's better to water lightly and frequently than to drench the soil. Patience is very important here too. Germination can take several weeks, so don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Wait and watch for the sprout to appear. This is a slow process, but the reward of seeing your avocado pit sprout is worth the wait. Your avocado pit needs warmth to sprout, ideally between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid placing it in cold drafts or near a chilly window in winter. Light is also very important. Avocado plants love bright light. However, young sprouts are delicate, so avoid direct hot sun. A sunny windowsill with indirect sunlight is often perfect. Water is crucial for your growing plant. If using the toothpick method, keep the base in water and change it regularly. For the soil method, keep the soil moist but not too wet or dry. Roots will usually start to grow first, which can take 2 to 8 weeks. Be patient. You will eventually see a thick root appear from the bottom. The pit will often crack open at the top and a small pale stem will start to grow upwards. This is always a wonderful moment to see. Enjoy the process and watch your plant thrive. When is the right time to transplant your seedling? If you use the toothpick method, wait until the stem is about 6 inches tall with a few healthy leaves. The root system should look strong and well developed. Choose a good pot for transplanting, about 8 to 10 inches wide, with drainage holes. Use a good quality potting mix to give your plant nutrients. Gently remove the toothpicks from the pit and handle the roots carefully. Plant the pit in its new pot with the roots going down into the soil. Leave the top half of the pit exposed. Water it well after planting. Keep the soil consistently moist, watering when the top inch feels dry. Give it plenty of bright indirect light. As it grows, you can start to fertilize it with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer bottle carefully. Do not give it too much fertilizer, a little goes a long way. Your young avocado plant will need good care to thrive. Growing an avocado plant from a pit takes time and patience. Some avocado pits will sprout quickly, while others might take many weeks or even months. Every single seed is different, so keep giving your pit good care. It is a fact of nature that not every pit will sprout. If one pit fails to grow, simply try another one. Your avocado plant will be unique, showing variation from the parent tree. It might have differently shaped leaves or grow in a slightly different way. This genetic variation makes your homegrown plant truly special. A common question is, will it grow fruit? The answer is maybe, but it takes many years. Sometimes it can take 5 to 13 years or even more. Plants grown indoors rarely produce fruit. Growing an avocado for its fruit is a very long game. It is best to enjoy the beautiful foliage and lush green leaves. Your avocado plant makes a lovely houseplant for your home. You have done it! You have grown an avocado plant. This is a wonderful achievement to celebrate. From a simple kitchen scrap, you have nurtured new life. This lovely plant can bring you joy for many years. It will be a living reminder of your care and patience. Continue to care for your growing plant. It will grow taller and fuller over time. You might need to prune it occasionally to encourage a bushier shape. Pinching out the top new leaves can help it grow side shoots. Watch out for common plant problems and adjust your care as needed. Share your success story with others and encourage them to try it too. Growing something green can brighten any home. Your avocado plant is truly special, starting from a little pit and your dedicated effort. Give yourself a pat on the back, gardener. Enjoy your green companion.